Hey friends, so the new CoPilot web application has been introduced, but there is no desktop application yet. And we have a preview on the desktop, but this is just a preview. It's nothing more than that, and I do not consider this any good app. But the web application is good enough. Now let us check for a permanent desktop app in the Microsoft Store. So I'll search for CoPilot, and there is no new Copilot app. I cannot see its icon here. So here's what we can do. We can create an app out of the website itself. All you need to do is open Copilot in Microsoft Edge, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, click on apps, click on install this site as an app, and then click on install. Wait for a few seconds and this app will be launched. It will work just like the web app. Now, what if you close this app? How will you find it again? All you need to do is search for Copilot in the Windows search bar and open the Copilot app. I hope this was interesting. If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.